How to see Spotify Wrapped 2023. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So as you guys probably know, Spotify Wrapped 2023 has just dropped. Now, some people are already able to actually see this and some people aren't. Now, I actually can, as you guys can see, it's all over my screen. But if you cannot see this yet, then the first thing that you want to do is make sure that your Spotify app is completely up to date. Now, if you go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and then go to Spotify, if you see an open button, it should be up to date. If you see an update button, please make sure to update this first. Now then, if you are back inside of the app, at the top right, you should see your Wrapped. Now, the first time you click on it, you will get the actual wrap, and the second time you will get all of this. So basically, your top songs, your artists, messages, merch, blah, blah, blah. And here as well, as you can see, it is right over here. Now, if this isn't the case and you still cannot see this, then what I recommend doing is simply restart your phone. Because I actually had this problem where I couldn't see it, but I simply restarted my phone and it, pops up immediately, just like that. And if that doesn't work, I recommend simply deleting your whole Spotify app and re-downloading it. And hopefully that is how to see Spotify Wrapped 2023.